Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the zoom in video transition on CapCut PC. So add a keyframe at the beginning. In the middle you're going to want to you're going to add a keyframe first here, and then you're going to add one at the end. So on the first keyframe I'm just going to zoom in just a little bit at 110. And then on the last keyframe, I'm going to zoom in at 180 maybe. I think that's too zoomed in, so maybe I'll just go with like 160. Okay. And I'm going to like maybe move it downwards a little bit. Whoops. I don't know why I like selected that one. Okay, I might go with just 155 for the zoom. Okay. And you're just going to do it for all of your clips. So again, add one to the middle and at the end. And you're going to go back to the middle one and add in 110. And then for the second keyframe here, well, the third one, 155. And then here as well, add one to the middle, at the end, 155, and 110. Alright, once you're done with that, you're going to right click here, show keyframe animation. Select the first keyframe, go to graphs and select ease in 1. Then select the second keyframe here and select ease out 1. And you're going to do that for all of your videos. So ease in 1 here. And here, you're going to do the ease out 1. And lastly, we have this one. Just bear with me on this. Ease in 1. And ease out 1. Oops, sorry. And that is basically it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!